Hi everyone, this is the video for Chapter 4, Problem 24. The good thing about this problem is, again, that we have the spreadsheet where it tells us if our answers are wrong, which helps a little bit when trying to figure out where numbers are coming from. So let's start with the overhead rate. So we're going to go to page 178 and 179 in our textbook. So for the overhead, we're going to use the following overhead activity costs. So we're going to use the $4.5 million. So the total overhead is $4.5 million. Total direct labor hours is on page 178. We're told that the standard model has direct labor hours of 75,000 and the deluxe model has hours of 75,000. So if we add those together, we get 150,000, and that gives us per hour for direct labor. For our prime costs, we're going to use the units given in our textbook. The expected quantity for the standard model is 30,000 and 15,000 for the deluxe model. And now we know that the prime costs are $4.5 million for the standard model. So to figure out the amount we're missing, we're going to take the $4.5 million divided by the expected quantity. And that's going to give us 150. So that's what we're going to enter there. Then again, you'll do the same thing with the deluxe model. For the overhead, we know it's $30 per hour. Oops. Let's see. Sorry, my handwriting's a little scribbly. So, let's see. So we have, okay, sorry about that. Had trouble reading my own chicken scratches. So for applied overhead, we're going to look at the book, and we're told again it's 75,000 hours for each one. So 75,000. And we calculated above that it's $30 per direct labor hour. And then now we have to divide it by the units produced. So in this case, for the standard model, it was 30,000. And that gives us the cost per unit. So you're going to finish the rest of that. Let's see. And then this is actually a lot easier than it sounds for part 2. It's given rate 1, 2, 3, and so forth. If you look in your textbook on page 179, rate 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you're just going to go the easiest way. Minimize one screen or print out this page and then just go. And then just enter the amount straight down this page. And so forth. Now to get the amount that goes over here for the cost driver, we're going to take the maintenance hours used, 6,000 plus 24,000 gives us 30,000. And there you go. There's that part of the formula. So again, you're just going to do the same thing all the way down. So for engineering hours, it would be let's see, where did I see that at? Engineering hours. Here we go. You're going to take the 13,500 plus the 31,500, which gives us 45,000. And there you go. So you're just going to keep doing it all the way down. And then you're going to use the activity rate information. Okay, for this last part, we're going to take the hour. So in this case, for this first one, it's going to be $20 an hour. And then you're going to use the amounts given in the book. So for maintenance hours used for the standard model, it's 6,000. For the deluxe, it's 24,000. So you're going to enter 6,000, 24,000, and it's going to go all the way down. And then you're going to have divided by the units produced, which is right here. So units produced, that is going to be on page 178, 30,000 for the standard model. Cost per unit is what we're going to have to, the computer should figure that out. Okay, so once everything is entered in, you're going to get a total cost right here. You're going to take your total cost divided by the units produced. That's going to give you your cost per unit of ABC. Your cost per unit of FBC is going to be the ending amount from number 1, or in this case, $225. If you have any questions on this problem when you get started, please let me know, and I hope you guys have a great day.